What's good, Auto Gang? Got a 2005 Ford F-150 4.6 V8. Everybody do some brakes. Got some front and rear brake pads and rotor replacement about to happen. So let's get straight to it. All right, first step, get the vehicle jacked up. But the main thing, make sure you got some gloves on. You know, you be touching a woman, you can't have no sandpaper rough hands, so make sure you got your gloves. All right, so the first thing we'll do, get your vehicle jacked up, pop these caps off. Like so. Flat head. Millimeter for the 21 millimeter socket for the wheels. Got your wheel off. Next step, you want to take this cotter pin out. Take that out with this cover. I believe it'd be like a 36 millimeter. Look at them brakes. Oh yeah, all gas, no brakes. All right, once you pull your cotter pin out, the nut right here is held together by 36. Get your 36 millimeter socket. Take that off. Next, you take the caliper bracket bolts out, as well as the caliper bolts as well. This is 36. And two 18 millimeter bolts holding up the caliper bracket. Caliper, set to the side. Set it to the side. Now you want to take your rotor off. Ain't kind of hot. You see that old rotor. Once you get your rotors off, you want to inspect, you know, the new part with the old part. Make sure everything lines up. Make sure everything is wood. Okay, they got the little what's name on the back. Okay, we got the what's name on the back, so yeah, we good to go. So, grease this up a little bit. Throw this rotor on. You want to hit it with some brake cleaner, because they have like a little film or something on it. You know, I'm not sure what it is, but you want to spray some brake cleaner on it. You always want to give it a test drive after you do the brakes and rotors and everything. Give it a test drive, a nice little brake test. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Get back to it. Once you got your new rotor on, you want to tighten the two bolts up right here and right here. And I don't know if I can see. 18 millimeter. Tighten that up. Put a tool down and like it run away. Like, give me a second, I'll be right back. And the caliper bolts held in by 13 millimeter bolt. So you put your 13 millimeter on there, take that out, and the caliper lifts. right up. Lifts right up. And to bleed them, you put your tube right there. You grab your 10mm, crack it, and that's how you bleed the brakes. And once you got your your brake caliper pistons compressed in, whenever brake job, make sure you got some brake grease. Because after a while, your brakes go to squeaking. As soon as you put them on, they go to squeaking. Like, what the hell? How much is squeaking? So make sure you grease them bad boys up. Get your nice little glob. Little glob. Put it on there. You ain't gotta worry about being all pretty. It could be a little messy. Hit all there. Hit the pistons. I even put some on a boat. So once with everything back together is retracting all smooth and everything. You got everything greased up, brake pads, calipers. Goes right on down, boom. Add your other screw. Tighten it up. Remember, it's a 13mm for the caliper. For the brake caliper bolts in the back, they are 18mm. You take that spindle nut off. It's a 36mm. Once you do that, then you'll be able to do the brake job. And that's on the front. The front knocked out. Go ahead and tackle the back. All right, I'm on the back brakes. Like every time I press play, we got a plane passing. Every time, seems like as soon as I press play, you got Spirit, you know, interfering with the video. So on the back brakes, you have a 10mm bolt right here, another one at the bottom right here. You want to take both of those bolts out. Take those bolts out. The calipers, the brake pad is held in by a little metal clip right here, and you have to like a flathead screwdriver and pull it back. Show you right quick. It'd be great if I had a flashlight on this camera, but I don't. So get your flathead, put it right here. And of course, my camera died. I ain't know it was on a little battery, but I gotta take it out with the iPhone. So, like I was saying, you pull these two back. This one back, loosen that clamp up. Once you do that, take your 10mm, loosen these bad boys up. Hold on, that one on there, hold on. Take them bolts out. Got them bolts out. Hold up, let me fix this so you can see it even better. That should sound like a fucking tank coming down the street. Alright. And you know, you bend these clip back. So how do you do that? You got this right here. Pull that bad boy back. Oh, my bad. Wasn't supposed to go like that. Yeah. Pry that off. Then once you pry that off, you might have to hit your tap your. Sorry for the camera quality. I'm sorry, guys. Give it a few love taps and that bad boy gonna come off. And to replace the rear brakes, I ain't gonna go in depth because I ain't got too much sunlight. Well, I have no sunlight. I thought I had time, but I don't. But to take the rotor and the brake pads off on the rear, it's a two 10mm bolts, and you have to. And after that, the rotor come out. You might have to give it a few taps, and the rotor comes out. Install a new hardware the same way, and that is it. So this video is wrapped up today. If you learned something, let me know. Comment down below, like, subscribe. I got tons of vehicles, you know, so I'll try to post videos as I can, because y'all see old schools galore. You got something in the works for the Fox body coming soon. And I got Big Red chilling. Just put some camera bolts in it to fix that alignment. I'm trying to think about them center caps. From those. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So y'all like, subscribe. Easy Auto, y'all know the vibes.